In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew an SSL certificate. If your SSL certificate is close to expiring, it's important to renew it on time so your website stays secure and visitors continue to see a trusted connection. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the renewal process in a simple, clear way so you know exactly what to do. To begin, sign into your account and go to the My Products section. This is where you can view the services associated with your account, including your SSL certificates. Once you're there, locate the SSL certificates area and find the certificate you want to renew. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage more than one domain or certificate. Next, click Manage for that certificate. This will open the details and available actions for the SSL product. From there, choose Renew Now. This starts the renewal process and takes you to the next stage, where you'll be able to continue with payment and any required follow-up actions. After that, pay the renewal fee to complete the purchase. Make sure you review the renewal term and any details shown during checkout so everything matches what you expect. Once payment has been processed, the renewal itself is underway, but your work may not be fully finished yet. The next part is to rekey and reinstall the certificate. Rekeying creates an updated certificate request, which helps ensure the renewed SSL certificate is properly issued and tied to your current server setup. Depending on your hosting environment, this step may vary slightly, but the idea is the same. Generate the updated certificate information and then install the renewed certificate on your server or hosting platform. When reinstalling, be careful to use the correct certificate files and place them in the right location for your website or server configuration. If your hosting provider offers an SSL installation tool, that can make the process much easier. After installation, it's a good idea to test your site in a browser to confirm the certificate is active and that your secure HTTPS connection is working correctly. And that's it. To renew your SSL certificate, go to My Products, open SSL certificates, click Manage, select Renew Now, pay the renewal fee, and then rekey and reinstall the certificate. Following these steps will help keep your website secure and avoid service interruptions for your visitors.